Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by dropping an audio effect rack onto the track you want to process. Once placed, open the chain list and create 2 to 4 chains so you can run parallel processing paths. Add the effects you need in each chain, for example, an EQ for tone, a compressor for dynamics, and a delay for space. Make sure to rename each chain clearly so you know which one you'll map to macros. This saves time when you map controls next. Now focus on mapping. Click Map to turn on parameter assignment, then select each parameter and assign it to a macro knob so you can control many parameters with one control. Use the chain selector to route the input across parallel chains or create smooth transitions. Press Show Chain to view selector ranges. Adjust minimum and maximum macro ranges to shape behavior and invert ranges for opposite responses. Once done, play audio and tweak ranges so the mapped macros respond musically. Finish by automating macros and integrating the rack into your arrangement. Record knob moves or draw automation lanes to create evolving textures. Save the rack as a preset to reuse settings. Choose whether to include chain contents or keep devices separate. Make sure to test with the full mix and adjust dry/wet balances. If something goes wrong, first check routing and that no chain is fully muted. Then verify macro ranges and that no device bypass is accidentally enabled. This fixes most silent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.